Hello everybody, so today I'm going to teach you how to make your own timed shutdown sequence from a batch file on Windows. So first of all, you're going to want to open up a notepad. In this case I already made the program, so I'm going to push edit. Then you put this code into the notepad. Then you go to save as. Then under that you're going to want to push all files. And in my case the file name is timed shutdown. Then you put .bat at the end, .bat. I already made the file, so I'm going to push save. Then this is going to be your program right here. This is what it looks like. And this is under a Windows 11 computer. So as soon as you click into that, it's going to start the shutdown sequence. And in my case, it's 1 hour. So in order to stop the shutdown, you open up command prompt, otherwise known as CMD. Then you type in shutdown /A for abort. And that's how you stop the shutdown from happening. At the bottom right corner of your screen, there should be a box popping up saying that you either started the shutdown sequence or you stopped the shutdown sequence. If you like this video, please rate, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.